Welcome back to the Classical Liberal Arts Academy's Petty School Arithmetic program. In this lesson, we'll continue our study of addition. We learned that addition is the art of counting quickly by using our memory. Addition is the art of counting quickly by using our memory. We've learned to add 1 to any number from 1 to 9. Let's review adding 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. And 9 plus 1 equals 10. These are addition facts adding 1. You should have them all memorized. We also learned to add 2's. Let's review adding 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 8 plus 2 equals 10. And 9 plus 2 equals 11. You should have all these memorized. We also studied adding 3. Let's review our adding 3 facts. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 8 plus 3 equals 11. 9 plus 3 equals 12. You should have all of these memorized. We also studied adding 4's. Let's review our adding 4 facts. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 7 plus 4 equals 11. 8 plus 4 equals 12. 9 plus 4 equals 13. You should have all these memorized. Now let's study adding 5. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 1 and 5 more makes 6. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 2 and 5 more make 7. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 3 and 5 more make 8. 'Play the next slide until you memorize all of the adding 5 facts. Play the next slide until you memorize all of the adding 5 facts. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 6 plus 5 equals 11. 7 plus 5 equals 12. 8 plus 5 equals 13. 9 plus 5 equals 14. These are the adding 5 facts. They need to be memorized. Now that you have memorized all of your adding 5 facts, let's go on and study adding 6 facts. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 1 and 6 makes 7. 2 plus 6 equals 8. 2 and 6 more make 8. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 3 and 6 more makes 9. Play the next slide until you memorize all of the adding 6 facts. Play the next slide until you memorize all of the adding 6 facts. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 2 plus 6 equals 8. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 5 plus 6 equals 11. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 7 plus 6 equals 13. 8 plus 6 equals 14. 9 plus 6 equals 15. How about some Latin? Unus et quinque sunt sex. Duo et quinque sunt septem. Tres et quinque sunt octo. Quatuor et quinque sunt novem. Quinque et quinque sunt decem. Sex et quinque sunt undecim. Septem et quinque sunt duodecim. Octo et quinque sunt tredecim. Novem et quinque sunt quatuordecim. Unus et sex sunt septem. Duo et sex sunt octo. Tres et sex sunt novem. Quatuor et sex sunt decem. Quinque et sex sunt undecim. Sex et sex sunt duodecim. Septem et sex sunt tredecim. Octo et sex sunt quatuordecim. Novem et sex sunt quindecim. I hope that you've enjoyed this lesson in the Classical Liberal Arts Academy's Petty School Arithmetic program. In this lesson, we've studied addition facts, adding 5 and 6. For more resources from the Classical Liberal Arts Academy, visit us online at classicalliberalarts.com. God bless you.